So I finally get to meet the talk of the town. A girl my son can't take his eyes off. I see why.
Thank you, Auntie. But I can't take any credit for what I look like. I had nothing to do with it.
Humble and so beautiful.
Thank you.
Enjoy it, darling, while it lasts. By the time you get to my age, you'll be all wrinkled and haggard and...
Auntie, you say that, but you don't look a day older
Don't say 50.
Oh, bravo.
That's why I like peace. I heard you cleaned out Sam at poker.
Well, Auntie, you know what Sam's like. He was just playing with his...
Ego?
Yes.
He's got a very big one. ये लड़कों का क्या कहना अब? बताओ.
कहने लायक होंगे तभी तो कुछ कहेंगे.
Isn't it time for lunch? We didn't even realize.
Oh, actually, Mom, Shrishti has a dentist appointment at 4 p.m., so we'll have to hurry.
What? Rubbish?
Yeah,
No, she has to eat and go, won't you, beta?
Sure, Auntie. I can stay a little longer.
Lovely. Sunita?
Wow, this is a treat. It looks amazing.
Good. Shrishti, beta, should I serve you?
Actually, Auntie, I can't eat anything.
Why?
I'm fasting. It's Karwa Chauth today. Auntie, I know it's really unfashionable and I know you find it regressive, considering you were one of the people who protested against the last regime for forcing Karwa Chauth on the masses. But I really didn't want to lie to you.
No. How did you know about this? It was supposed to be a secret. A well-kept one, I thought.
Auntie, you spent a whole day in prison.
What? No. Auntie, you're in jail?
No, यार वार्डन होंगी वहाँ पर.
तू चुप कर. तुझे क्या पता? I was quite a rebel in my heyday.
Not surprising.
क्या brownie point नहीं चाहिए तुझे?
No, the government had made it mandatory for us women to follow certain religious rituals. And I just don't like being told what to do. I didn't want somebody putting me down because I didn't want to follow a certain ritual. And I, on the other hand, I was not going to put someone down if they wanted to follow one, whether I believed in it or not anyway. So that's why I fought against Karwa Chauth. And that was my stand then. And I went to jail for it. But I don't know whether I should tell you.
Yes, tell us.
Okay. Right after I got out of jail, I actually did Karwa Chauth. I fasted because I met his dad and I fell in love and what to do?
Auntie, you're a teddy bear.
उन दिनों में मज़ा भी बहुत आता था. Ceremonies होती थी and हम सब साड़ियाँ पहनते थे. It was all very exciting. अब तो moonrise data पर पता चल जाता है.
I know you find it so unfashionable, Auntie, but I want to thank you for fighting for our rights to say no. What to do? I'm just romantic, and I hope I didn't freak you out by saying I'm keeping a fast.
No, not at all.
It's a pity though, because I've heard so much about your dal makhani, and maybe another time.
Of course. You're welcome anytime. Maybe today actually I'll give you company and not eat. I can't stomach this heavy food anymore.